Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to print anything on iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. To print anything from your iPhone, whether it's a photo, email, or text message, you just need to make sure your device is properly connected and use the built-in print option. Start by opening the Settings app and tapping on Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network and your printer is connected to the same network. This is essential because your iPhone communicates with the printer over Wi-Fi. For printing a photo, open the Photos app and select the image you want. Tap the share icon at the bottom left and then scroll down and tap Print. At the top, select your printer. It should appear automatically if connected properly. If it doesn't show up, double check the Wi-Fi connection or restart the printer. Once selected, adjust settings like number of copies or color, then tap Print in the top right. Now, to print an email, open the Mail app and select the email that you want to print. Then tap the reply icon and a pop-up will appear. Scroll down and choose the print option. From there, select your printer at the top and adjust settings just like before. Then tap on Print at the top right corner. Now, for text messages, there isn't a direct print option for entire conversations. If I want to print this whole conversation, I can't do that. But the easiest method is to take a screenshot. So press the side button plus volume up to take the screenshot. Then open the screenshot and tap on the share icon. A pop-up will appear. Select Print. Choose your printer and print as usual. Overall, as long as both your iPhone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network, printing is quick and doesn't require installing any drivers. And that's it. So that's basically how you can print anything on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.